Did you know that a woman can be enchanted by just kissing? 95% of men like to rub their noses against their partner's nose while kissing. An average person spends only 14 days of his life for kissing. When people with the most sensual feelings kiss, they kiss with their eyes open. The chemical dopamine released by our brains after just one kiss motivates us to kiss more. That's why once we kiss, it's hard to stop. At least 3 times a day speeds up our body's metabolism. Kissing is something that makes us mentally, physically better. If someone is talking to you and he or she looks at your lips, that person wants to kiss you. Daily kissing helps prevent stress. Similarly, we can feel the lips of the one we love even on a dark night. Kissing activates between 23 and 34 muscles. Researchers still have a problem with how people kiss. Besides humans, chimpanzees are the only animals that kiss like this. 70% of the world's 14 to 24-year-olds get their first kiss at the age of 15. When women kiss, they focus more on the smell of their partner's breath and teeth. Philematophobia is the condition of excessive fear of kissing. Generally, men prefer to kiss first before having sex, and women prefer to kiss after sex. Kissing also reduces the occurrence of various types of allergies. This increases the percentage of testosterone hormone in men. A simple kiss burns 2 to 3 calories per minute. Also, 1 minute of strong and loving kissing, like a French kiss, burns between 5 and 26 calories in the body. In a love relationship, the two partners know that they are compatible by kissing each other. Not only that the first kiss in the morning boosts mental health and is 10 times more effective than mood-fixing drugs. That's why I told you kiss, guys, every time, every movement.